In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Sabrina in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you will need is you will need to craft an item called the Hypnic Whip. And to craft it, you will need these materials. So you will need 4 pieces of red wool. Then you need to put a focus slash right here, then an arrow right there. Then you're able to go ahead and craft it. Once you craft it, then you're able to use the cancel cartography table, place it down. Then you want to put an empty map right here and then the Hypnic Whip, and that is going to generate a map that will lead you directly to Sabrina. So wait for the map to finish loading in. Then there you go, there it is. And then it's going to point to the nearest Sabrina gym. What you could also do if you have commands turned on is you slash locate followed by structure, then type in Cobbleverse, then type in Sabrina, press on enter, then it's going to give you the coordinates, and then you're able to go ahead and just teleport to those coordinates. So again, you could do both different methods. It is 100% up to you. So let's just go ahead and make our way towards Sabrina. There you go. Let's go ahead and teleport. And bam, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and just wait a little bit. All right, guys, and here we are in the gym itself, and then you're able to go ahead and enter it. And then as you're able to tell, we're able to find Sabrina. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.